Hi guys, a few people asked to see our Oohbubs Baby Wrap and how it works, so here we are. First of all, it comes in a little bag, so you can just keep that in your nappy bag, don't leave home without it. Totally handy, you will end up using this all the time for a young infant. Birth to 9 kg, but we reckon you'll most likely use it kind of around birth to 6 months. Available in 3 colours, so we've got the stripe, we've got black, and we've got, you can hardly see it there, but just a really nice simple grey marl. Comes with a handy instruction booklet, which also has in there some guidelines for safe baby wearing, but also, there we go, how to do it, but I'm going to show you how to do it now. Okay. So take it out of the bag, and then you want to find the little Oohbubs logo, which goes in the centre front. So here it is, and that's going to go just, what do you call that? Your clavicle. So you put that in the middle there, and then we call this part going across the belt. Okay, so you're going to create your belt here, and then bring this around your back and over the shoulder. And then the same on the other side. Just make sure that's lined up there. So around the back and over your shoulder, and just being careful not to twist it at the back. And then, oh, I did that one without even thinking. Sorry guys, didn't explain it there, but you want to thread these parts that you've taken over around the back. You want to thread them under the belt and just kind of tighten them a bit, but not too much. Still got to fit the baby in. So we've created a cross here. Bring it around the back to the front, and then, so depending on your size, you can tie it at the front or the back or a little bit to the side, then the baby's kind of not sitting on the knot, and just do a double knot. Okay, so we've got our belt, crossover, so pull the belt down, and we're going to start with the cross that's closest to our body. So just pull that out and slide your baby in. And then just pull that fabric across from baby's kind of knee to knee, so you're creating like a nice little seat for them, and they're not going to have their, sorry, it's not the most ideal baby, and with a real life baby they're going to be like at least 3 kilos, so they're going to sit a little bit lower, and do the same on the other side, so you're just creating that nice seat, they're not with their legs dangling or anything, and then we will find the belt again. Where am I? So not the piece with the knot on it, but the plain one with the logo, and lift that back up over and pull it back up. So like I said, not ideal using a doll who weighs virtually nothing, because she's kind of a bit high for me, but she's in. And you can smooth out the shoulders so that they're more comfy, and of course it's nice and simple design, so it's going to go with all your outfits. Really nice thin fabric, which is good for our New Zealand summer, and just a crossover at the back. Yeah, easier than you think, right? When I was first time mum, I never would have been brave enough to attempt something like this, and when I saw mums wearing wraps like this, I just thought they were like really hardcore, amazing parents. And with my second child, yeah, I learned to do it, and I was like, whoa, what was I scared of? It's not that bad. A tip is to practice at home in front of the mirror, do it a few times. When you go out, you can do it at home first, put the baby in the car seat, and then go out to where you're going, and then you can just take baby out of the car seat and put them straight in. And another tip is just check your reflection in the car mirror, car window. Check that the baby's spine is straight, that their legs are out nicely. Yeah, and then you want baby to have some space around their face. You want them to be close enough to kiss, but probably not this close. We've got the safe baby wearing guidelines in the back of the booklet too. It's really important that you follow those. And the wraps are $79.90, cotton elastane, 10% off this weekend, so that makes them about $71, and yeah, we can send them straight out to you because as you can see, they're in stock.